Hey there, and welcome to this lesson on encryption basics. Today we're going to explore how encryption protects our data and why it's essential in the digital age of modern technology. So, encryption is the process of converting readable data, or plain text, into an unreadable format called a ciphertext. This ensures that only those with the correct key can access the original data. Encryption is a fundamental tool for securing information. It protects sensitive data from unauthorized access, ensuring privacy and securing online transactions. For example, when you're banking online or sending private messages, encryption ensures that your information stays confidential. You remember the CIA triad that we spoke about earlier? Well, encryption is allowing for that confidentiality. So, here is a really basic form of encryption, just to give you an example. This is not used by modern PCs because it would be way too easy to crack, but it's something you can have a little bit of fun with at home to really cement your fundamental understanding of encryption. So let's say that we take the 26 letters of the alphabet and make sure that each letter corresponds to a number. So A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, D equals 4, for example. Then go ahead and work out what your name would be based on that form of encryption. So if we had the name James, for example, well, J is the number 10, A is the number 1, M is 13, E is 5, and S is 19. So the encryption algorithm would be 10, 1, 13, 5, 19. And of course, you could exchange messages like this. Encryption has been around for a very, very long time. Any of you familiar with World War II, for example, would understand that there was encryption used by the German side, and the English actually managed to break that encryption, which gave them a major kind of advantage in that war. Now, even then, encryption was so complex, and these days it has gotten even more complex. You know, you have encryption keys of something like 256 or 512 bits, which is absolutely enormous. And they're even talking about potentially quantum computers in the future, so computers that run on quantum processing being able to generate encryption that could not be cracked in millions and millions of years. So it's certainly an exciting time to be in cybersecurity. Now, there are typically two types of encryption. The first type is symmetric encryption. This is where the same key is used for both the encryption and decryption. So the method is fast and ideal for large data sets, but is not as secure as our second mode, which is asymmetric